Hey everyone, Lacey here, back with another video. It is currently 3 a.m. I just got back to my dorm from my 10 p.m. flight back to Boston for school. Yeah, it's that night. So basically, I flew back today. It's currently Sunday morning. I'm going to sleep right after this, after like wash my face and everything. But the reason that I'm doing this video is because I did do a Black Friday kind of shopping thing before I left Florida, and obviously I didn't have time to record it. Some of the stuff is still down in Florida, so just for reference, I got myself a vlogging kit for sale. It was like $30 on sale, so it has like a 6-inch ring light stand, and then like placements for your phone. So that's great because now we'll have something professional. I'll be doing a video of like me setting up my recording space in Florida when I get back. Another thing I got was like Burberry perfume because it was on sale. My mom really wanted it, and it was like on sale for like $20, and she was like, sure. It ended up being men's perfume, so perfect gift for my father. That's where we're at there. Next thing we got was like edge booster, which is like basically a thing that a lot of African Americans use, basically like for our hair. So like our shortest strands are like kind of like puffy, like I don't want to say puffy balls, but kind of like, you know, like puffy, and they're not really nice, so you use like edge spray, so edge booster, and like you kind of like swoop your edges so that way it looks like really nice and clean. Yeah, it's a thing. I'm sorry, keep doing thumbs up. It is 3 in the morning and I'm tired. Great. So moving on. So this was $3. Awesome sale price, you know. So the next item we got was like this pack of socks, and that's because I'm always losing socks or running out of socks, and I was like, I need more socks for school. So we got this pack. I think it was on sale for $5. I don't know how many pairs are in here, so I'm gonna assume there's like a 6-pack of these. These were from DSW, and they were like 50% off. Next thing I got were 2 bras. This cost me about like $14 at Discovery. Not a lot of places have it, but these are the 2 bras. So there's this pink one, and then there's this polka dot black one. So it has this really cute like lace back kind of stretchy band. And yeah, can't wait to use those because like honestly don't have a lot of bras, should buy more. And then I did get 2 pairs of shoes, so these are really cute. So these are my fancy boots, as my mom likes to call them. So like for co-op, internship, for those of you who don't know what co-op is, for just like nice dinners and stuff in Boston when it's snowy. These have like a really good grip, I hope. These are from DSW. These are $60. These are Guess, boots by Guess is what they call it. I got this in a 9 because I'm normally in half in sneakers, but like in boots I wear 9, so I have like a little bit more space. And these are so cute. I can't wait to get like wear out of these. They have these laces and they look really good. And then I got another pair of boots, and these are more like casual everyday boots that I wear like to class or when going out with friends and don't need to wear heels, and like they're very basic. These were the same brand as my socks. I think it's just like mix number 6 or something, and it looks like this. I love this plaid pattern on the back because like there was like a lot of dark martens and stuff, but I really like these specifically for like their little standout pop color, and like they also have grip, which is great. So these were like my quick items. I did do some shopping online. I ordered a Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson conspiracy palette. We'll do a makeup tutorial with that. I did some Kohl's shopping throwback. I spent like $117 from Kohl's, and like I got some makeup, I got some scarves, I got some leggings, I got some long sleeves, you know. So that video will be also coming up the next few weeks when the items arrive at my home, probably before I arrive at my home. And then other than that, I didn't really do much. I did order myself a subscription box because there were a lot of subscription box sales, and I was like, should I? Yes I should. So those will like all be videos in December for how these items come out. And since we're still here, I didn't know how to insert the fact that I went to the Jonas Brothers concert in any of my upcoming videos besides the end of the year. So I'm going to show you guys just a quick kind of like, this is what I got. So I got a shirt, currently dirty. I will take a picture of it and insert it here. That was the shirt, 10 out of 10. And then next thing I got was this really nice Jonas Brothers concert poster. So this is like the poster that's basically on everything. It's like three in like a green pastury background, and like they're smiling at the camera. And then I really did this to myself, right? I spent $35 on a vinyl. And listen to me, I didn't want to, but I was like, as soon as the guy handed me the vinyl, I was like, yeah, I'm sold. I will be buying this and taking it home. So this is the Jonas Brothers vinyl. It comes with two kind of like two vinyl albums in there because it's four-sided. Looks like that. And yeah, a lot of money. Most expensive item I bought was the shirt, though. It was like $45, like every concert t-shirt. It's just a plain white shirt that says Jonas Brothers, and the back has like all the tour dates and stuff. So like, yeah, I know that's a lot of money. Leave me be. Thank you. Anyway, that's all I bought because I am still a broke college student and we don't have that money, so we don't do that. I also bought like stuff for architecture project that's due Wednesday because that's our final project, but like, yeah, that's not a haul. Anyway, thanks guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It is 3 in the morning. I am tired. I'm going to sleep. And I will see you all in the next one.